Welcome to Pramit's Toy World.
Hey guys, what's up to another amazing video? So let's start with our stuff today. And our stuff today is 3 Batwheels Kinder Joys. That's literally so hard to find. I've chewed my mom's brain to take it. So let's take it. Let's open up these things. First one is this one. Let's start. Let's see what we get. Okay, you guys, check it out. Oh, I think we got the hover. Yeah, we got the hover. I know how to make it. So like, I've never got like some things in this, but I know how to make it. Really simple. So simple. Like, here, your body is done. Now let me just put the stickers. So simple. Like literally, Kinder Joy, improve your buildability. Like seriously, needs to be more harder. So easy. There we go. Here we go. So like yeah, I understand how to make these things and really it's too easy. We are done with this one and now we are going for the other wing. Yeah, so why am I keeping this over here? Just like, yeah, bomb put here. I mean, a bomb just blasted. So here we are, I'm done with the hover. So like yeah, it's nice. So let's go for the second one. Now let's do it. 1, 2. I small jokes. Oh my god, we got this moving thing. I don't know how to build this, so I need the manual. This time I don't know how to build this thing. Okay, so these are stickers. And you just have to like put it on it. I have to put this sticker on. Like I don't know what to do with this thing, but I just understand these things are glow in the dark. Like everything in this set just glow in the dark. Like so now after this, you have to put these stickers. Yeah. And then you have to just open all of these. Whatever card you get goes like that. So for example, I spin. Oh, I got this card. So like it's like that. You have to spin it and you get whatever card. You get that card. Like I don't know what does this mean. Like so yeah, let's continue. Whoa. Wow. Let's hope that this is the vehicle. Oh my god, I guessed one of this is this one and I knew it was this one. I know it. No way. I was searching this thing for so long. Like I don't understand what is this, how to do it. Understood. Seriously, I need a bit of help over here. One sec. I have to see this manual properly now. I don't understand how to do this. Okay, so after a bit of help, we could like join this now. So we have to just put this on. Like, yeah. Let me put it on. One sec. Yeah, so this is it. Now I have to just stickerize it. So let me stickerize it. I really wanted this car since a long time. I got it. Okay, that was a hard sticker to put. I can just say from all this what I've put all together, this one is the hardest to do. Yeah, but the softest and the cutest. Okay, so now I just have to put these wheel things on. Like, yeah, it takes a long time to put these stickers on. I put one on, putting the other. Because it spins, so I'm like putting it like anywhere. Okay, so the main thing is that all of these cars glow in the dark. So yeah, lights close in 3, 2, 1. So this is the end of the exotic video. So if you want more content on these Batwheels Kinder Joys, I need 3 likes. Or just 3 more likes. I need less support because I have less subscribers. More subscribers, more support. I give you a small discount. Okay guys, so bye bye.